In this phase, we move from disruption to infiltration by launching a focused spear phishing campaign. Our objective is to compromise a privileged user account inside the company by tricking the target into surrendering their credentials. Before we go further, please remember, this walkthrough is for educational purposes only. Let's walk through how we built and delivered this attack in a safe, simulated environment. We begin in Kali Linux with the Social Engineering Toolkit, a powerful open-source tool used by red teams to replicate phishing tactics. Once launched, we navigate through the menu and select social engineering attacks, then website attack vectors, and finally the Credential Harvester method. From there, we choose the site cloner option and input the URL of company's internal login page. Within seconds, Set pulls a perfect clone of the page, visually identical and hosted directly on our attacker machine. Now that the malicious site is ready, it's time to test. On a separate victim machine within our lab, we visit the attacker's IP. The cloned portal appears authentic, same branding, same layout, no immediate red flags. This is key. Realism earns trust. With everything in place, we craft the phishing message. A convincing email is sent to the victim, spoofing the company's IT department. It carries an urgent subject, password reset required. The message warns of security updates and instructs the recipient to reset their credentials using the included link. That link leads directly to our cloned login page. Once the user enters their details, the data is captured live in Set's interface. No pop-ups, no warnings. From the victim's point of view, nothing seems unusual, they simply get redirected to the real site afterward. But by then, the credentials are already in attacker hands. This technique demonstrates just how dangerous spear phishing can be, especially when it's targeted, believable, and delivered with urgency. And while our goal here was simulation, the lesson is real: a single email, a single click, a single form submission, that's all it takes to breach a perimeter.